So chapter 18 part A. इदा ही ना एक बारी अच्छा भखारी ਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਮੂਵੀ ਦੇਖਣ ਗਏ ਇੱਥੇ ਹਾਲੀਵੁੱਡ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ ਥੀਏਟਰ ਆਪਣਾ 70 ਸੈਕਿੰਡ ਤੇ ਸਕਾਟ ਰੋਡ ਤੇ ਹਾਂ ਇਹਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਹੀ ਆਇਆ ਸੀ ਨਾਲ ਭਖਾਰੀ ਵੀ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਇਆ ਤੇ ਨਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ ਵੀ 50 ਸਾਲ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵੀ ਅਚੋ ਰਾਜਕੁਮਾਰ ਦੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਭੀਖ ਮੰਗਣ ਚ ਤੇ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਵਿੱਚ ਭੀਖ ਮੰਗਣ ਚ ਕੀ ਫਰਕ ਹੈਗਾ ਭਖਾਰੀ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਜਨਾਬ ਵੀ 50 ਸਾਲ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਪਿੰਡਾਂ 'ਚ ਭੀਖ ਮੰਗਣ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਉਦੋਂ ਕੁੱਤੇ ਕੱਟਣ ਨੂੰ ਪੈਂਦੇ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਜੇ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਟਾਈਮ 'ਚ ਜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਭੀਖ ਮੰਗਣ ਨੂੰ ਜਾਈਏ ਤਾਂ ਹਰ ਬੰਦਾ ਹੀ ਕੱਟਣ ਨੂੰ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਰਾਈਟ yeah there's a harsh fact karosate hunde right okay so we go to question number 1 right question number 1 before adopting amending or repealing a zoning bylaw a municipal council as a matter of policy so this is about chapter 18 part A question number 1 so whenever we want to make a change for example I have a house next to the gas station White House if we want to turn out into a Petro Canada right so what do we need to do I need to go to Dynamart I need to make an application right number 1 then there will be public hearing right if it does not create any undue hardship for the neighbors so they may change it otherwise it's going to remain a White House okay so it's number 4 okay yes anytime you want to change the zoning so you have to go through the process and then from there one we go to question number 15 it's a related question so we go to 15 your client Bard is a developer who owns land in an area zoned for single family residence so highlight single family residence he wants to subdivide his 2.5 acre lot and build a 24 unit condominium nowadays is a multi-family time right if you want to make more money convert everything into multi-family you're going to make money Bard seeks your expert advice on how to overcome the land use bylaw obstacles that could prohibit the land development you correctly advise Bard that number 1 same 2 steps number 1 is the application number 2 is the public hearing so if you read the number 1 Bard will have to apply for a spot rezoning that has nothing to do here so you go to number 2 by making an application so you can highlight for rezoning to the municipal council property owner may begin the rezoning process so first thing to do is the application C a public hearing must be held so that's also true by the municipal council prior to a change in the permitted land use or density under the zoning bylaw 2 then D the municipal council has the power after a public hearing has been held to alter mean change and amended mean already changed bylaw to further change you want to change further now for example if I have turned my White House into a gas station now I want to turn from gas station zoning to higher zoning to change the use or density of a zone without holding another public hearing so without makes it wrong here anytime you want to make a change you have to do the application and then there will be a public hearing why this is wrong it says without right so without you can circulate and that makes it wrong so the answer is B and C and then we go to the question number 2 a board of variance is number 1 a provincial board charged with responsible to seeing that actions by municipality comply with the local government act number 2 board established by municipality with power to amend property assessment number 3 a board established by municipalities to determine whether zoning bylaw creates undue hardships on property owner so you can highlight undue hardship anytime we want to make a change so where do we go to the council and council recommend to the board right if I turn my White House into a gas station but if it creates the undue hardship they won't permit me to do it okay so remember the keyword is undue hardships and from there we go to question number 14 So the answer for 2 is a 3. Yeah. Then we go to 14. 14 is a board of variance must hear and determine appeals in a number of important areas. Which one of the following is not? So you can highlight not. So there are 4 activities, one of them is not. Number 1, to review a decision of a building inspector. So you can highlight a review a decision. If a decision is made, they want to change it, they can review it. Number 2, to hear an appeal where the enforcement of a zoning bylaw will cause undue hardship. That's true, right? So you can highlight undue hardship and highlight the word appeal. Third, to amend a zoning bylaw. Can they amend? They can't, right? If you go to number 4, to establish a time limit within which construction of a minor. So you can highlight time limit. If they say you can turn into a gas station, it means they gave you 1 year, 6 months, and within that time you have to do it. So remember the 3 things. Number 1, review. Number 2, hear an appeal. And number 4 is the within a time limit. So they can't change. Okay? So it's number 3. Then we go from there to 16. So 16 is board of variance is a board established to. What do they do? Number, ensure that action by municipality are not variance. No. Settle boundary line dispute. No. Ensure that all non-conforming use ceased within 6 months. Is number 4. Permit a minor deviation. Minor deviation mean change, right? Depart from the normal course, right? From a zoning bylaw for an individual property owner. So this one, okay? So deviation means so minor change, okay? So basically it's number 4. So board of variance give you 1 mark in the exam.
We can do
Changes, yeah. And then we go to the question number
7.
Yeah. So that's it for this part, right? So we have to depart from here now.